Hi guys, this is Brew24. Here I have my Hobao DC-1 trail truck. I have taken the liberty of redesigning the body. I have 3D printed some beadlock rims, original tyres, milk crate, snap-on toolbox. Here I have my max trax, which can come on and off. Clear body, the windows, my little aerial, some tow hooks, cool little air conditioner on top, driving lights. Coming around this side of the vehicle, got my jerry cans for diesel, watering can, spare tyre. I have my medical box in my milk crate. Made up my own rear tray, spare tyre, rear bumper, tow hook. Haven't fitted any driving lights as yet. Continue working around the truck. It's not quite 100% finished. Not quite happy with it as yet. I'm still working on it. Here's my little fella Archie. Wave Archie. Hello. Alright, still have the original front wheels, but we'll get there. Other than that, it's coming up pretty good. We'll have a little drive.
I'm trying to get something. Stop.